Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas.
Do not rush to send sawn branches, driftwood and other wood waste to the autumn bonfire. They can make interesting and functional crafts for home and garden. The material for creativity can be found in your own garden or in the nearest grove. For the future, you can stock up on dry branches during the next sanitary pruning of trees in your locality. Try not to miss this event. The collected wood needs to be thoroughly dried. Almost all known types of wood can be used as a starting material for the manufacture of fantastic wooden objects. In addition, the forms of wooden material that are at hand in everyday life can be different. The bizarre natural shapes of branches and obstacles found during a walk in the forest or park will be a good material for the implementation of creative ideas. One-piece cobblestone, used for the construction of houses or outbuildings on plots, may be suitable for a carved product decorating the facade of a building or interior. Finishing veneer always remains in the form of scraps after working with furniture. Do not rush to throw away the leftovers, as you can make interesting crafts from them. Boards, as well as their small waste, can become a tempting base for the imagination of a person with an artistic imagination. Scrap plywood often sleeps in many storerooms of thrifty owners, and many useful items can be made from them. Beautiful hemp in good condition, cut in vegetable gardens and well seasoned in a dry place, can become the basis for creating a unique piece of rustic furniture. Crafts made of wood cuts of various thicknesses and diameters are a material for solving many technical and decorative tasks. For the manufacture of all kinds of wood products, various blanks can be useful, such as pallets, slats, cut pieces of bars or branches, beautiful tree roots. Features of different types of wood. Different types of wood have their own characteristics, and an experienced craftsman knows which wood is best suited for certain purposes. Wood blanks can be very dense or too soft, viscous, dry, layered, plastic, and brittle. One of the most durable industrial wood species is oak. It grinds well, but due to the different density of annual rings, it is suitable for the manufacture of large products. Furniture, parquet, wooden panels for rooms, massive decorative elements are made of it. Its beautiful texture of a combination of light and dark stripes looks advantageous even with minimal surface treatment. Beech has a more homogeneous wood and is widely used in industrial production for the manufacture of small parts with fine carvings, such as furniture legs, handles for canes or umbrellas and other products. It is convenient for all types of processing, has noble reddish or gray shades of wood, is durable. Linden refers to soft materials and is a favorite wood carvers for plasticity and flexibility. It has an unpleasant feature. It is difficult to grind it without processing with special impregnations. It has always been used to make original wooden plates, household items, frames for mirrors or paintings. A light tree is beautiful in its own way, but it is often colorful. Pine or spruce are the softest types of wood, on which you can conduct a master class on creating wooden objects for beginners. Very malleable in all types of processing and painting, but not too durable and beautiful. They belong to cheap and light types of materials for the manufacture of children's furniture and toys. Knotty branches and powerful stumps make the best figurative crafts. Someone will see a three-headed dragon in a snag, and someone will see a divine angel. The main thing here is to turn on the imagination and process the snag from insects. With the help of branches, you can breathe a second life into an old lamp, mirror, or an unnecessary aquarium. To prevent the wood from cracking during prolonged storage, it can be protected with oil, varnish, or wax. Branches and driftwood can transform any interior. Creative installations are made of natural material, which will become the highlight of your interior. If you are used to taking advantage of unnecessary items, try to make useful things out of branches and driftwood. Uncomplicated crafts made with your own hands will surely become the subject of your pride and a real decoration of your home.